Bone is a specialized connective tissue in which the extracellular components are mineralized. This provides hardness and strength while maintaining lightness. Bone tissue consists of 4 types of cells: osteocytes, osteoblasts, osteoclasts, and osteoprogenitor cells, and of an extracellular matrix, composed of 40% organic matrix, also called osteoid, formed by proteoglycans, type 1 collagen fibers, and glycoproteins, and 60% by an inorganic mineral matrix, mainly composed of calcium phosphate and calcium carbonate, which organize to form apatite and hydroxyapatite crystals. Bone tissue is found in 2 main forms: woven bone tissue, the first type of bone formed during fetal development, composed of collagen fibers organized in parallel or interwoven bundles that form trabeculae. Lamellar bone tissue constitutes the majority of adult skeletal bone. The collagen fibers are arranged in parallel bundles forming bone lamellae, which can organize into compact bone tissue without spaces. Spongy bone tissue with spaces, the trabeculae. Bone lamellae are concentric layers of mineralized extracellular matrix that form the structure of both compact and spongy bone tissue. Within the lamellae are small cavities called lacunae. The functional unit of mature compact bone is the osteon or Haversian system, composed of concentric layers of lamellae forming parallel columns around a central canal, the Haversian canal, which runs along the long axis of long bones. This canal contains blood vessels that vascularize the osteoid. There are also other canals called perforating canals or Volkmann's canals, which are oblique or perpendicular to the axis of the bone and carry blood vessels and nerve fibers. These canals ensure the vascularization and innervation of bone tissue. Osteocytes are the most numerous cells in mature bone tissue. They derive from osteoblasts that become trapped in the osteoid within lacunae. Although they are unable to divide, they remain metabolically active. Osteoprogenitor cells are stem cells that, in vascularized regions, give rise to osteoblasts, while in avascular regions, they differentiate into chondroblasts. Osteoblasts directly contribute to bone tissue formation, synthesizing all components of the bone matrix in a process known as osteogenesis, and regulating the deposition of mineral salts. Osteoclasts are large multinucleated cells that, through the acids and proteolytic enzymes they produce, erode the matrix in a process called osteolysis. In spongy bone, the lamellae do not form osteons, but instead interweave to form trabeculae. Additionally, blood vessels are not organized into centralized canals, but are more diffusely distributed throughout the trabecular matrix.